Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Sahla Parveen. The topic for today is Law of Attraction. Law of Attraction simply means that you attract everything and circumstances into your life with your thoughts. Whatever situation or circumstances you are going through right now in your life is a result of your thoughts which you had thought before. In other words, your thoughts become things. Knowingly or unknowingly, we are practicing law of attraction in our life. So when you learn to practice law of attraction consciously, your all dreams becomes to reality very easily through law of attraction. But when you practice law of attraction unconsciously, because every day and every night, whatever we think, whatever circumstances, whatever feeling, whatever emotions we are going through, we are attracting that into our life. Suppose a person is very negative or always thinks about what he fears in his life, he is attracting more of that fear into his life. If I give an example, if a person is always afraid of failure and always thinks about failure and always thinks, how am I going to face failure? He is attracting more of failure into his life. But when you believe in positive thoughts, when you believe that you are going to have a positive impact in your life and really you want a positive result, a success, and if you are able to see it, feel it, visualize it, you are able to attract that more into your life. Yes, you may fail, but you will be more stronger to face the failure and to take it as a challenge and go forward when you are having a positive thought process and practicing law of attraction. You can learn more about law of attraction through a beautiful book, The Secret by Rhonda Byrne, because she have explained about law of attraction very well. Now, there are different techniques to practice law of attraction, and we have to know that to change a thought, it is not easy. You cannot change your thoughts within one day. So listening to a video or an audio one day or reading a book for one day will not change your thoughts. You have to really train your mind to think in a different angle and a different perspective. Because with logic, sometimes our mind will not agree to what we say, but once you practice every day, when you change your thought process, when you start believing in a different pattern, and when you start learning in that pattern, yes, our mind starts changing, our thought process starts changing, and the result or the outcome also becomes beautiful. Like every day when we go to gym or every day when we work out, that is how our body is getting muscles or our body is getting stronger and powerful. One fine morning we can't go to the gym and take a 10 kg of weight, but every day when you go and practice again and again, you become strong, you get good muscles, and that is how you are building your body. The same way we have to build our mind too. So to practice law of attraction consciously, we have to know few things. And the most important part is to fill our heart with three beautiful feelings. And when you fill your heart with this three beautiful emotions or feelings, that is when you have a very strong or a very powerful heart. And that most beautiful feeling that you have to have in your heart are unconditional love, forgiveness, and gratitude. Unconditional love means it is not just that I love my family or I love my friend or I love my kids or with conditions. I love my family because it's my family. That is a conditional love. More than that, you love because you just love. There is no reason for unconditional love. You are helping a stranger without expecting anything back is unconditional love. You are giving without expecting anything back from someone, or you're doing anything without expecting anything back. And when you do that, the universe will give you unconditional of love and abundance through different direction or from different people. In the same way, the second point or the second most beautiful feeling is fill your heart with forgiveness. Forgive yourself first, because if you are not able to forgive yourself for the mistakes that you had committed in your past, then you will never be able to forgive anyone else in your life. See, if you are able to realize that you have done a mistake, that is because you have goodness in your heart. And please do not carry guilt, anger, revenge in your heart, because if you see heart as a beautiful flower vase, and just imagine if one flower is rotten in your flower vase, what happens? All other flowers will become rotten. So if there is any kind of bad emotions that you are carrying in your heart, please remove it, throw it. And always, the bad emotions or anger or negative emotions will come because the flower get rotten, but take that away and always have the fresh flower or the positive or the most beautiful feelings in your heart. So forgive yourself first, realize who you are and realize the mistakes you have committed, and forgive yourself and ask God to forgive you, and forgive everyone else who have hurt you or whom you feel any kind of revenge, because they have done their part in your life and they have went, and that is perfectly fine because they have given you a challenge and you faced it and you overcome that. That means you are a strong person. And the third and the most beautiful emotion that you have to have is gratitude. Be thankful for this beautiful moment in your life. We always focus on the things that we don't have, and we always cry, and we always focus on our problems. But just imagine if you are feeling grateful for this beautiful moment, for the body that you have, because there are a lot of people who does not have a healthy body. So why can't we say thank you for this wonderful body that we have, for the family that we have, for the house we stay, the food we eat? There are a lot of people who does not have any of these blessings that we have. So practicing gratitude is one of the best way to make a strong personality. You can have a gratitude journal every day before you sleep. Just write down 10 sentences about how grateful I am right now in my life. 10 reasons how grateful you are, because that is how you start focusing on, the good side of your life, and the good things comes to your life. So if you want to practice law of attraction consciously, you need to have a strong heart. And if you want to have a strong heart, you have to fill your heart with love, gratitude, and forgiveness. And to practice law of attraction, we have different techniques like visualization meditation, or making a vision board and focusing on it, or practicing with affirmations, which I will be explaining in the coming videos. So do subscribe to my channel Sahla Parveen and wait for the next video. Thank you so much, and may universe bless you with a lot of love and happiness. Thank you.